Police have launched investigations over the death of a KCPE candidate who reportedly died in his room a day before the results of the exams were made public. An autopsy done earlier in the week revealed that the boy died from a blunt force trauma to his head that led to a brain hemorrhage. NTV's Charity Mwangi with the details.
In his room, evidence of how Juliano Kanyonyo spent his last day is told by the cotton wool on his table that treated the wounds that signified his transition to adulthood. Clothes hanging on the line above his bed and the shoes next to it gave the illusion that Kanyonyo had just stepped out, but the reality is that his life was cut short by people well known to his family.
Alikuwa kuna maoyo alikuwa anatoa na mdomo, damu kwa mpua, kwenye alikuwa ametairiwa, damu ilikuwa imetoka. Hatujui kama alifanywa unyama.
His family says young men tasked with the responsibility of guiding him through circumcision in accordance with the Agikuyu culture could be responsible for his murder.
Walikuwa wanaambia, yani Juliano, my brother, ati asiongee na mama yake. Juliano akaambiwa akiongea na huyo mama yake hata hiyo nyumba anaweza kataa kuitoka.
Kama mtoto amefika kiwango ya kutahiri, wale watoto wanamaliza standard 8 ni 13 years, 12 years to 14 years. Unawapatia mtoto mwingine aende akampeleka akamtahiri. Tedi atampatia mawaidha. Mawaidha gani atampatia?
Friends and family visited the home if only to comfort his family and to remember a boy whose future had just started blooming right before their very eyes.
Na nilichukua mtihani na nikastuka kuangalia yule kijana ambaye tumempoteza alikuwa amefanya zaidi kama vile alikuwa afanya mwaka mzima. Alifanikiwa kupata alama 376.
This was Kanyonyo's second attempt at writing the national exams. He emerged third best in his school. Cases of hazing during initiation ceremonies have been spoken of in hushed tones, even ignored over their cultural value. But this being a murder case, the seriousness of the situation is hard to brush off. Charity Mwangi, NTV.